afternoon, YouTube. It's your girl Diana back at you with another YouTube video. Today is gonna be like a clean with me, organize with me, and productive day, like follow me around kind of video. So yeah, so let's just start by like, you know, we're gonna get to this, just real quick. We're gonna get to this situation in a minute. Yeah, so we gotta take care of the whole apartment situation because looks like trash because there's a lot of things happening, some movie watching. That's why the bed is in the living room. But yeah, so we're gonna take care of that later, and we're also gonna do some like grocery shopping and stuff. And I'm thinking about getting like patio furniture because I have this like little patio and it just like looks out to like this cute little view. So I'm thinking about just getting some like patio furniture. So maybe we'll do that. So we'll like go to Target and so grocery shopping, organizing, getting my life together kind of day today. Yeah, don't judge me on my apartment, okay? It'll look nice in a sec. Also, in case we were wondering, hi, get out of my shop, please, Jesus. In case we were wondering, here is the outfit for today. I just have these little white shorts that I'm pretty sure I got these in like high school, guys. They're from Urban. They just have like little lace stuff. They're high-waisted. And then my little Puma basket shoes that are really beat up. And then I think this like gray sweaters from like Princess Polly or something like that. Hi, I'm an idiot and I forgot my phone upstairs. So now we gotta walk all the way upstairs to go get my freaking phone. Love life.
A few moments later.
Honestly, you know, it's fine. At least I get to spend more time outside because it's finally like nice weather. It's been like 2 degrees for so freaking long and your girl is over it. So God bless, it's finally like, I want to say it's at least like 70 outside because I'm in shorts. So yeah, a girl can dream. But yeah, God bless, finally sun and not cold and rain because it was literally raining yesterday and I was like, no, not down. So yeah. Love that. I'm gonna try to not drop everything and open my car now. Rip, looks like we're getting some gas today too. Why am I like this? Adulting is hard. Like, and this random like song that's been on like my iPhone, it's like on my iTunes. I don't even use iTunes, like always comes on and it's really scary and I'm not down. Especially I watched a scary movie yesterday and I was shook, you guys. Like I was real shook. I was like, oh, there's gonna be something sitting right next to me when I wake up because that's literally like what happens to one of the people and I was terrified that would happen to me last night. But yeah, all right, anyway, let's just let's just go. All right, so I have just arrived. We are at Costco. We're going to do some bulk shopping because, you know, I don't like doing grocery shopping like once a week. So we're just going to do some bulk shopping. I always feel like such an adult coming in here, but I only really need eggs. Just like a bunch of them. So I don't even know what those are. R.I.P. Found it, amigos. We get the organic, obviously. $6. Also, if the quality looks different between like the clips inside the stores and like outside, it's because I can't take my DSLR in there without getting kicked out and your girl needs groceries. So we go Ariana Grande, please. So we go in incognito and taking the iPhone in there. All right, we getting some gas at the Costco gas station. Also, this line is always so crazy. Like, hello, I literally never come to Costco to get gas just because Costco's kind of far from me. So I usually just go to like Shell or whatever and I just like stroll on up and I'm just like, oh God, let me just wait like 20 minutes for gas right now. But I guess it'd be like that. Y'all already know. Well, I didn't have any food left, but got a cloud macchiato with almond milk because dairy-free struggles because lactose intolerant. So now we gotta shop and not buy things I don't need, even though there's really cute dresses right now. Rip. Yeah, I haven't gone shopping in a while though, so maybe I'll buy something. So I didn't find any clothes, but I was walking. Should I buy this? Hello? It's huge. Oh no. I'm walking away before I actually buy it. Oh, we're gonna go get patio furniture since it's over by the groceries. Okay, so like my patio is kind of small, so I feel like all this is is really big. I don't know. I like this chair over here, but I only have one. So maybe I'll go to like a different Target on a different day. I feel like they have more because this one's kind of like ravaged and not a lot of cute things left. Okay, that was honestly like so whack. That Target was literally out of everything that I needed. Like I need oatmeal, apples, I have eggs, and then like a couple other things, and they literally like didn't have anything there. They didn't even have like the freaking bottled water that I usually buy there. I was like, okay. The Starbucks was out of food, so now I'm hangry. No, nothing that I needed was in stock at that Target, and that's so sad because that's usually like my favorite Target. So I'm probably just gonna go to the Target by like my mom's house. I had to go over there anyway to like pick up some like packages and drop some stuff off. I ship all my like big packages over to their house still, just because like my apartment complex, when like you like get big packages, they like put them in this like weird little room that you have to like walk all the way over to and like get a key from like the front office and like all this, like it's just like a hassle. So I just ship like big things over there so I don't have to deal with that. And yeah, so hopefully that Target has everything that I need, because that was really annoying.
A few moments later.
Alright, so it's a little bit later now. I went to my parents' house and I dropped off some stuff there, and I actually didn't have any packages to pick up. So now we are here at the Target by their house, and hopefully they have the things that I need in stock. So wish me luck. Hopefully I can finish my grocery shopping, and then I have to deal with my whole apartment being a mess fiasco. There's so many people around me right now and they're staring. Hello, friends. Okay, round 2, already going better. We got some grapes. Egg whites, hello? Yes, we have egg whites. Because we like egg whites and regular eggs. That was a gross angle. Egg whites. And now I just need like one more thing. I'll figure it out. Just kidding, I figured it out. Apples. Frickin' sweet! Yeah, we're on sale. Look at that. Let's go see if they have patio furniture. It's cute here. Kidding. I also remembered that I needed oatmeal. Flavored oatmeal. Because I only have unflavored right now and it's gross. I'm thinking like maple brown sugar. Oh, there's like a variety pack. This? Is this worth it? Okay, absolutely not. That was literally like 2 packets per thing. We're just gonna go with like, how many packets are in these? We're just gonna go with this one. It's like the cinnamon apple one, because they like don't have any other flavor besides original. Oh, they have brown sugar. Just get both, like $3. Okay, we're getting brown sugar. Oh, Sharpie mustard. And we'll get apples in case I want to switch it up. Looking good so far. Yeah. Last thing I need to do is like go to like an actual grocery store and get like a bunch of like veggies that are already cut, because I'm lazy and I don't want to cut them. They had 2 of the chairs that I like, but they're like $50 each, and I feel like that's kind of a lot for a freaking folding chair. So maybe I should, oh, that stuff's kind of cute. Maybe I should like look somewhere else. But I think I got everything that I need here. So now we should go home and finish. Alright, I'm back home now, so now it's time to clean this place up, starting with this bed that's got to move back into the bedroom. And I realized that my bed skirt is covered or ripped and is too big for my bed, but don't worry, it'll all work out. And then I need to put all these towels back in the freaking bathroom and do the laundry. RIP. So I'll set you guys up and we'll do a nice little time lapse for you. Alright, you guys, we are all done. The counter's clean. I got the dishwasher going, that's why it's hella loud. I washed like the 2 things that weren't dishwasher safe. All that's clean. We got the bathroom all cleaned up. Sorry, I'm trying to be like super loud because I have the washer and the dryer going. We have the bathroom all clean and organized. I also got these like cute little pom-poms that I got at Target like a couple days ago, and some new towels and stuff, so it's like a new color scheme in here. And then we obviously cleaned up the living room, and last but not least, we cleaned up the bedroom. It actually looks like a bedroom now. That's my belt on the floor, ignore that, but I can't wash that. So yeah, we're all done. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry, I'm like in my room where it's like not as loud. The lighting's probably terrible though, but I'm so happy that my apartment is clean. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this where you just follow me around and get organized with me. I mean, if you like the time lapse of me cleaning literally everything in my apartment. And yeah, that's all for this video, so I will talk to you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye!